रिफंड होगा नहीं, that's a guarantee. एक दोस्त है जास्ट एक दिन आते ये इससे बातें करो बेफुली खाओ.
सुनो मेरी बात तो सुनो.
In Bollywood, I don't know about Bollywood, but there is a future because there are so many other outlets now for films which people want to make, which do not get commercial release. There are many other outlets. There's cable, there's YouTube, there's all sorts of things. So, but what's important is that all these young people are actually making films. They're not just talking about them. They are, whether it's they get a chance to make a 5-minute movie or a 10-minute movie or a 15-minute movie, they're all grabbing at the opportunities and they're actually going ahead and doing it, and that is absolutely fantastic, and that is something we really will definitely pick up steam and something which should certainly be encouraged, as has happened over and over again in the past with many interesting young filmmakers. So I can't say that I wish they never make big budget movies, but I wish that they along with the generous budgets that they get, they also continue to make small budget films, because it's very important to continue making these kind of movies, because the success or failure factor counts on how much money you've actually invested in the movie. The less you invest in a film like this, the better, because it's a bigger risk.
Reading the script, coordinating and approaching the actors. But personally, as an actor, of course, it's a blessing to not once but twice work with him and with ma'am. Although when you watch the film, you'll understand that I've not directly done a scene with them. But I think it's overall been a fantastic experience. It's been a great team that's come together. I think good things happen fast, and it was one of those projects that started and finished before we knew it. So yeah, I just really hope that it's out there and people like it now.
I think I completely agree with what the senior actors said, and whether it's a feature film or a short film, it's still a film. You know, as an actor, it might be a two-hour long film, but you might have a role which is just one scene. For an actor, even if you have one scene in a feature-length film, you still have that one scene to prove yourself. So I think I completely agree. When you have a well-written script, half your job is done, and when you have a director on board who knows what he wants, as an actor it makes you very confident. But even as an actor, your work is between action and cut, whether it's for a feature film or for a short film or for an advertisement. So
जैसे ही अधिराज को मैं काफ़ी सालों से जानती हूँ, जैसे कि मैंने बताया हम स्कूल में साथ में थे, और इस स्क्रिप्ट के बारे में, इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में हम काफ़ी बातें करते थे, एंड अधिराज यूज्ड टू कॉन्स्टेंटली से यार मुझे ना वो इजाज़त वाली जो गुलजार साहब की फिल्म थी वैसी वाली एक फ़िल्म बनानी, वो रिलेशनशिप लव ड्रामा जो एक होता है, एंड आई हैव ऑलवेज हैड नसीर साहब ऑन माई विश लिस्ट टू वर्क विथ हिम. ऑल्दो अधिराज ने उनके साथ एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म में काम किया था, नसीर अंकल ने नरेट किया था. देन वी बीन लकी दैट जब मैंने नसीर अंकल को ईमेल भेजा था, एंड ही लाइक द स्क्रिप्ट इमीडिएटली, एंड ही सेड प्लीज़ आप लोगों ने एक शेड्यूल रखा है बट उसको डिले कीजिए, एंड आई वांट टू कम बैक टू इंडिया एंड आई वांट टू डू इट. बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. ऑल्दो सिर्फ एक ही दिन का शूट था, एक ओवरनाइट शिफ्ट का शूट था, और जस्ट वर्किंग विथ हिम आफ्टर ऑलमोस्ट 10 years काफ़ी यादें ताज़ा हो गई. ऑब्वियसली इकबाल की एंड बहुत सारी बातें जो हम तब करते थे. Although I've always been constantly in touch with Naseer sir, but working with him, being on set again, working on a film, एक अलग अनुभव होता है, and really reliving that was great experience. Okay, तो sign है. But about that, only when the production allows me to speak about it तब करूँगी. But as of now, it's Interior Cafe Night, and in a couple of months, you'll know कि मैं एक हिंदी film कर रही हूँ about that. No, it's got it's not multi-star cast. It's got it's a different. I mean, उसमें सिर्फ मैं नहीं हूँ, अभी बहुत सारे लोग हैं.